All righty, two more things I want to tell you. Trig limits. If direct substitution doesn't work, we have the kingpins to remember, right? So we call them kingpins. They're just special trig limits. So remember, if you have x goes to 0, sine ax over b x, you're going to get this ratio of a over b. And these we just have to memorize. Tangent works the same way. The limit as x goes to 0, tangent of ax over bx is still going to be a over b. And then the cosine one, so this is the big one. And then cosine, if you have the limit as x goes to 0, 1 minus cosine x over x. You just have to remember that one is 0. So three kingpins to remember. So sometimes the kingpins are hiding, right? So let's do a quick example. You see that? Yep. Sometimes they look like this. The limit as x goes to 0 of 5x plus 2 tangent 3x over x, say. Okay, so this one, you guys, we can split up any fraction with this common denominator, right? So we can say this is the limit as x goes to 0 of 5x over x plus the limit as x goes to 0 of 2 tangent 3x over x. And so you can see, okay, well, this one's pretty easy to simplify. We just simplify the x's and we get the limit is 5. There's nothing to plug into now. And now with our kingpin, we know this is 3 over 1. So 2 times 3 over 1. And we get 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay. All righty. The last thing to remember is L'Hopital's rule. Okay, with limits, L'Hopital's rule comes in handy anytime you have, let's say, the limit of, let's say, we could go to, let's say we're going to infinity here. We have ln of x over x, and we plug in infinity here. We'll get infinity over infinity, which is also that indeterminate form, right? You cannot, that doesn't determine anything, just like 0 over 0. So when we do this, we can, L'Hopital's rule is the limit of f of x over g of x is equal to the limit of f prime of x over g prime of x. So you can take the derivative of the top and bottom and then take the limit and then get your answer. So L'Hopital's rule is really handy in stuff like this that can't be factored. It's not a special trig limit. You don't know what to do with it. You do a direct substitution and you get nothing. But here we can say, okay, the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x, and the derivative of x is 1. So now if we plug in infinity, we get something like 1 over infinity, which goes to 0, and we get an answer. Okay? Thanks, guys. I know that was a quick review of limits. Good luck.